will be. Scott Community College is debuting its urban campus today. News 8's John David shows why the $30 million project can help grow downtown Davenport.
Higher education is taking on a new look here in downtown Davenport. That's as the Scott Community College urban campus opens for classes.
And as we start to share things back and forth, we will have them join us.
Gabe Knight's marketing class is already sold on the urban campus. On its first day in operation, getting high marks.
It's got a nice communal feel to it. It's bright, it's cheery, it's open.
Glass walls enhance the open feeling. They're taking a vintage bank building and giving it an upbeat makeover. That appeals to students like Tatum Bunch.
It's a lot different than what it was before, and then it just kind of has more of a educational feel to it.
Education that also has a different look. Classes are connecting with other campuses. That brings learning closer to home.
It's really neat because you have a bigger classroom, and then you find that you have the same classmates in other classes.
The urban campus reflects its past history. A bank vault remains on display. There are lots of boxes to unpack, but this transition is taking education into the future.
As a business instructor, it's nice to have real-world examples that you can point to that are literally right across the street.
Anything that they do downtown is going to be great, but it's a beautiful campus.
And this promises to be just the start at the urban campus, bringing a new energy to education. In Davenport, John David, WQAD News 8.
And a second building next door, also a former bank.